Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and as you saw by the title of the video, these are the end of the line, the end of the Sari kits. And I am organizing because next week I have a great deal of new saris coming in. I have 2 new suppliers in India and 2 here in Canada, so I have a bunch of stuff coming in next week that I'm really excited about. So I wanted to clean up what I had left over from all the saris I've been selling all month, and I've put together kits with what was left, and these are going for a steal of a price of 15 bucks each. I have 4 at the moment that I've done, but I can do another 2 if they sell. So $15, you're going to get a huge deal here. But I really needed the room to clean out and make room for what I have going on next week. So as you can see, it's all beautiful. And I'm just going to go through these quickly. And these are going to be marked A, B, C, and D. So let me just move these 2 out of the way here. This one is left from last week. It is the Sari collar kit, and I do have a video on this, and I'm letting it go for 15 because starting on Tuesday, after my live Tuesday, I'm going to have things arriving. So I needed to get cleaned out. So this has this beautiful collar piece here with these gorgeous rhinestone bits. Look at how amazing. So there's that. There's a large piece of this pink sari, double-sided here. There's a piece of this turquoise, beaded. This eggplant color. This beautiful boho fabric, which I love. And I was thinking this kit, last week you could make a journal, and this would be the inside cover. This is folded over, so it's double. It's beautiful. There is Cantha quilt. Nice piece of Cantha quilt, more than enough to make a journal. So it's this color on this side, and it's got the gold trim. It's all hand stitched. This is the burnout velvet. There's a big piece of this. This is a sort of pumpkin spice colored crochet lace. There's this beautiful beaded sari piece. I mean, wow, look at the leaves on the top. They're gorgeous. There is this big piece with the trim and the ruching here, and then it's got these little velvet flowers. They're beautiful on the top part. This piece, this is a nice big piece. Beautiful beaded piece. Another beautiful embroidered piece, enough to make a journal cover with. This beautiful piece, all beaded, absolutely gorgeous. And then a nice big piece of the turquoise sari with the gold and the white. And then this upholstery fabric. So that is kit A. So let me put that aside. And then we will do kit B, which can be this one. This is the last of this trim. This is the top part of the sari where you can see the collar here, and it's got another one of these beautiful pieces on the top. Absolutely gorgeous. This is green and gold and like a rust colored silk. And these are all of these pieces I'm showing you, they're all irregular pieces because this is what's left after you cut saris. This is a really large piece. Look at this, so beautiful. Those are all gorgeous beads. I mean, this is a deal for $15, but it's worth it to me to get these out of the way. And you guys can have fun with these. This is hand painted and hand embroidered. Nice piece of that. That would be great for pockets. There's some of this pumpkin tulle, which was from a wrap. It's really pretty. I love that color of orange, actually. And then these are pieces from a Sari. Again, the end pieces. But there's more than enough to do something with. You've got these beautiful pieces here. This is from the top of this dress. So this is the collar part of that dress with this beautiful embroidered fabric. And then it's this beautiful navy blue on the back. This beautiful beaded fabric. This beautiful beaded piece. Look at this. I mean, it's gorgeous. All that beading. And then this beautiful pumpkin spice color. It's beautiful. And even if you bought Sari kits from me this month, this is still a good, like, you know, stash builder. This beautiful piece. This is a piece of pink silk, quite large. You can make lots of flowers out of that. This is that beautiful navy with the metal trim on it. Again, these are irregular pieces, but they're fun to be able to add to your journals or do projects with. This is a really beautiful piece. It's got all this embroidery, these embroidered flowers here. This is the whole side of a Sari. So there's the collar part there, and then these flowers, and then there's the piece down at the bottom here. So that's the whole, like, top part. So there's that. This is the beautiful metal sequins and metal flower Sari. The beautiful aqua one, nice big piece. With the edging, there's the edging, and then it's got these little white and silver medallions on it, all over it. So that's really pretty. And then this beautiful green and orange, beautiful embroidered piece. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. And sparkly. Really big piece of that. Really big. And then a super large piece of the blue, or pardon me, teal and white and silver or gold. I guess it's both. It's gold. Sorry, that's a big piece. But again, it was the end pieces, so I'm reorganizing and getting ready for next week, so you guys get the deal. So that is B. If you're interested, that's B. And then this will be C. Let me move this one out of the way. So this is C. There's this piece with the pearls. This huge piece of this really cool fabric. Very boho. And you can see they've got lots of beaded pieces in them. This is a huge piece of the green. Really, really big piece. More than enough to make a couple of journal covers with that, I would think. This gorgeous piece with the flowers, and it's got like a gold thread running through it. I hope the camera will pick that up. I don't know if it will, but it is there. Kind of. You can sort of see it. But it's got a beautiful gold thread running through it. Purple and yellow. It's absolutely gorgeous fabric. A big piece of that same Sari with the edging. A nice piece of that hand painted and hand embroidered piece. There's the back. You can see it's been painted and hand embroidered. A nice big piece of this sari. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous fabric. It's so pretty. That's really big. I mean, that would be an absolutely gorgeous journal cover. You could make a couple of journal covers out of that. And then this is the back of that sari, and this has a zipper on one side, and the other one I'm going to show you has the other side of the zipper. So I split it in half between the two kits. So you get all the beading down the side, and then you get all this fabric as well. So, very good deal. That's like almost a full dress. And you still get some of the beading. So that's cool. There's the last of the gold lace. The last of the gold lace, but there it is. It's beautiful lace. Nice big piece of the sari. The teal, gold, and white sari. Really big, doubled over piece. Nice big piece of cantha quilt. This beautiful sari piece. I've had this for a while. It's got all that beading in a teal color, and then it's got all this trim here. This little piece. Some of the pieces are small, but you know what? There's more than enough to put in a journal or do something with. I have cut these little pieces out and used them separately. I love that. This piece, last of that, and the last of the pearl trim. And there's a nice piece of that. It's got the corner there, and then you've got a nice big long piece with the pearls. And then this piece, again, this is an irregular shaped piece, but that's okay. Lots to do with that. And then this nice big piece with the little beads on the bottom. And then it's red with these gold sequins and leaves. Nice big piece. So that is lot C. And then this one. This would be lot D. So lot D has this one, this one, very long piece of this silver trim, and it's purple on that side, purple tulle. That is my kitty cat. Hey, she's being naughty. Nice big piece of this trim that's hand painted and embroidered. It's quite a long piece. This is the longest piece. Another big piece of this trim. And this has some appliques on it, but mostly it's silk. But it's a really big piece. But it does have a few of the appliques on it as well, and some of that trim. But that's the biggest piece of all of them, of that one trim. And then there's the green here with the rust. Pink silk. A piece of the navy blue with the wire embroidery. This is the other part of the top of that sari dress. There you can see it's the neck piece. This is what's left of a neck piece off of a sari as well, and there's quite a bit of beading still on here. You can see this is all beaded still. So it actually went like that. That was the top. And it went like that. And then this piece comes down like this. And there's more beading here. So that's quite a big piece. And this is the other part of the sari top, the other side. This piece with the beads and rhinestones on it. This piece. This piece. This was the side of the dress. But when you unravel it, there's piece appliques you can take off there, and there's a bit of a one there. More of the pumpkin colored tulle. This is part of a sleeve, but there's still beading on there. That's super pretty. I love these round motifs, and they've got the big stone in the center. This is the very last piece of that golden yellow dress. I was keeping it for myself, but I went, nope, not going to do it. So that's it. This is the very last piece, and it's so beautiful and sparkly. So Lot D has that. And then this is the other side of that embroidered sari piece. It's beautiful. Look at that embroidery. I mean, it's amazing. And this one has one of the little ties on it as well. And then you get some of the pink fabric. But look at those colors. Aren't they beautiful? They're just amazing. A big piece of the aqua sari. Well, it's not so big, but it's not a small piece either. Of the aqua sari. This is the other side of the zipper of that other sari in the pumpkin color, but you get all the beading all the way down the side of the zipper, and then you get all the fabric. It's gorgeous fabric too. A big piece of the green with the flower motif. It's so pretty. I just love this. I'm not a green person, but I loved this fabric when I found it. I loved it. And then a nice big piece of the teal sari. So that is Lot D. So if you're interested, comment down below, or you can email me, but it is first come, first serve. So if somebody wants Lot A and then I say okay, and then you want Lot A, I can't do anything about that. So you have to get on it right away if you want them, or if there's one that you want. If you want all four, I will do a deal on all four for one person. So just contact me and we can talk about that. But if you want all of them, I'll do you a deal. But other than that, they're $15 a piece. And comment as quickly as you can so you can get the one that you want. And my email's down below. And $15. So good deal. Thanks, guys. Bye.